usually add buttercream on the base so that the cake can stick. Smooth side up. All right, I'm gonna stick this in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. So it's not like this, it's not like this. Make sure it's like level like that, okay? Hold your cake scraper at about 45-degree angles and with just light touch, okay? Light touch. Make sure the bottom of your cake scraper is perpendicular to your cake board. Make sure it's touching the cake board. And then check for imperfection and see if there's air bubbles or any area needs to be patched up with your buttercream. Do so. The bottom of your cake scraper should be touching your cake board, okay? And hold it at 45 degrees angle. Light touch. And if this is your first time decorating a cake, take your time, okay? Really take your time. Just go slow. No rush. I'm gonna make like half circle. I always like to start at the back of the cake. We're gonna do shell, okay? Shell shapes like this, just up and down, okay? Up and down. Easy, right? Up and down. Super easy. I'll do the bottom one the same way. This is 1M or open star, 4B. Okay, this is how it looks like, 4B. Do the same shell shapes, okay? Like that, okay? Up and down. We're gonna use the small star tip if you guys have any, okay? I'm just gonna keep doing that small, the shell shapes with the small star tip, okay? No tip this time, you don't need piping tip this time. Just like snip it just a little bit, just that much. Just that much, okay? So do this shell shape. We're just gonna follow the first half circle, okay? I'm just gonna do it right on the bottom. right here, you're gonna add like little dots, like this, make little dots, okay? Right, super easy. And take the 4B that you had earlier. You see this? Okay. You guys can do this, totally can do this. Are you guys gonna try this? Let me know if you guys gonna try this.